Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, everybody. Earthling, Dudol goes to US market. So, kung napadaan ka sa aking channel, bago ka pa lang, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, my friend, if you are new to my channel. So, we have this open market. We have the reviewed 5 stock. And one is doing great, VIAF. So, isa din, maganda yung galawan niya. So, this is VIAF, as we have done videos that once he broke the 2.2, the 2, we have a chance to go up high at 3. Unfortunately, the high is 2.7 only. Hanggang 2.7 lang siya nag-umangat nung pag-open market. But that is around 50% up from the open market to the highest price. So 50% ang inangat niya sa kanyang taas. So because of the good news, I think you have a good revenue or sales the last 2025, and they are going to expect continued growth during with strong sales on 2026. So inasahan nila na tataas pa to ang mga sales nila ngayong 2026. So hopefully BIAF will not do another reverse split. So we have to be careful and watch for this one. If you wanna hold this until May is the next or 2 months. So hopefully there will be no reverse split. Sana walang reverse split, kasi pag nagkaroon ng reverse split, doon ka matatalo, malulugi na. But if you have already a profit, why not? Just like I said, 10% is good enough. So here we go up. So okay na So by next week, sa sunod na linggo, maybe he will hit this 4.5. There is only one left here. I think we have in 1 day time frame, we have a technical sale of 4.45 and 6.22. But in 1 week, still there is 2.66. But it's getting weaker. So humihina na yung sale diyan sa kasi yung iba na na-liquidate na. So once this stock will go by next week, it will go up. Hopefully we have a chance to hit by 3.5, then at 4.5, and we will liquidate this big area here of sell order block. So that is my quick update for BIAF. So with a good sales, and there's a possibility this will hit before end of the month. Maybe there is a chance. If it will continue a strong. So buyers will, if buyers will come in again, so we have a big chance. But unfortunately now it is doing bearish. So there's a sell order. So it already broke this line here. So there is a chance. Let us see where there is only resistant here in this area. In this one, we have this 2.14. He should hold here. Hopefully he will bounce back. and go up, or if not, if it will this will pull back, so worst to worst it will hit here, or worst to worst it will go back to its own price. So that is why once you have a profit, you can sell it, take a profit. But if you're holding this one, try to hold for at least 1 month, I think, and watch. We will see if this continues before closing. 1 hour more, we have 1 hour, isang oras nang tayo natira. So kung diretso pa yan, matagos niya to, so posibleng tagos niya dyan, posibleng matagos din to, ano. So we have two option, either here or here. It will resist. So sana bumalik siya sa angat. So that is BIAF. So that is our quick update and our target price for this month. Hopefully we will hit at least 3.5 maybe within this month. So thank you very much for those who subscribe and views. Or who do not yet subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much. Adios mi amigos, mi amigas, babus.